Welcome to the Tracksha platform. In this video, we'll understand the Places feature in Tracksha that helps you manage all your important locations on the map. You can create multiple places like collection points, delivery stops, or any fixed route locations. Each place is linked to your vehicles and shown clearly on the map. When a vehicle visits a place, it is automatically marked as visited. The remaining ones stay as pending. This gives you a quick real-time view of daily progress. You can also check detailed reports with date and time for every visit and pending. With Places, tracking your fleet becomes simple, automated, and easy to understand. Now, let's see how to create places and how to view their activity. Go to the Settings panel and open the Places section. Here, click on the Create button to add a new place. First, select the device from the device list. Then enter the place name and add a note if required. Next, choose the place type based on your requirement. Now mark the exact location on the map. Select the drawing option. Select Circle to create a circular area. Tap on the map to set the center. Once all the details are filled, click on Save to create the place. Now, let's see how to create a place from the mobile app. Go to Settings and open the Places section. Tap on Create to add a new place. First, select the location on the map. Then adjust the area and tap on Next. Now enter the place name. Select the place type. Choose the devices. Add a note if needed. Finally, tap on Save to create the place. Now let's understand this with the example. Here, we can take example of waste collection vehicle. It's moving along in its route and visiting multiple checkpoints one by one. As the vehicle crosses each checkpoint within the selected POI, those POI automatically change from red to green. As you can see, some POI have already turned green, indicating they have been completed, while the remaining POI are still red, showing that they are yet to be covered. Now, based on this activity, let's check the detailed report of this device. Now go to the Activity section from the panel. Then select Places to open the Places report. Then choose the device and set the date. Then click on Show to generate the report. Here, you can see the detailed report of each device. At the top level, it shows the overall summary, including the total number of places, how many have been visited, how many are pending, and the visited percentage. You can also expand a device to view more detailed information. Inside, you'll find date-wise data such as the number of visited and pending points, along with the first visit time, last visit time, and the total duration. You can also click on the play button to view the playback, which shows how the device moved and covered each checkpoint on the map. This helps you visually track the route and understand the complete activity step by step. This way, you can easily manage all your places, track visits, monitor progress, and stay updated in real time with Tracksha. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Tracksha support team.